Hello and welcome to the GT Woodshop. If you're a subscriber to this channel, you'll be aware that I've decided to refresh my hand tool skills, and I've created a series of videos called A Journey into Joinery. And if you're not, well, you should be. Hit the button. You know you want to. Feel fulfilled. Anyway, in this very short video, I'm going to unpack... Oh, look, I've done it already. Gosh, I'm such an excitable person. And a mini review will ensue on these and this, but not this. Stay tuned. Ah, you're back. Excellent. So I've bought myself a mallet made by Narex, and it's cutesy beyond belief. I didn't want the huge, great Thor's hammer of a mallet. I just wanted a little tapping mallet, and I like it. I've not used it yet. It's a lovely little weight. I'm not sure what the weight is. I'll put it here. There it was. And I have some Narex chisels. Mortise chisels. Look at them. Oh my lordy lordy. Let's bring you in a little closer. What do you think of that? 16, 14, 10, 8 and 6. If ever a chisel looked substantial, that does. Wow. Am I impressed with the quality of their wares? What I'm not impressed with is the packaging, wrapped in bubble wrap. In this age of deforestation and contamination and annihilation of our planet, you'd think we'd have found something better to use than bubble wrap. Bit of brown paper. What's wrong with a brown paper bag? So, first impressions are the chisels look really fit for purpose. But then, who expects a new chisel to be sharp? So we'll give them a little sharpen and give them a little test, shall we? See you in a bit. Well, I have my trusty sharpening station back out again. Just have a little lapping fluid. And let's see what Narex have given us to work with, shall we? On closer inspection, it really looks as if the chisels have been dipped in some kind of protective lacquer, which I think is better than the thick sort of engine oil grease they used to put on, and I think they still put on planes. Okay, I think you can see the back, you can see the machine cuts there. See what we've got. I think it's disgusting that in this day and age, with the level of technology and accuracy we can achieve, we can't make a chisel with a flat back, and you've got to do it yourself. How the hell do they make aeroplanes fly? I know it's a bit of a quantum leap there between a chisel and an aeroplane, but it's looking good. Let's do the front. There. Now I'll move on to my 4000 grit whetstone that I've had soaking for some time. And 2 for luck, just on that very tip. Shining. So here's the acid test for both my sharpening skills and my mallet. That's beautiful. Looks as clean as a whistle. And in summary, lovely set of Narex chisels, not expensive, poor packaging. Not sure if that was down to the people or the supplier that I chose, Workshop Heaven, I believe, or whether that's the way they're shipped to them. I would assume it's the latter. Chisels themselves, lovely comfortable handle. The steel seems to take an edge really, really well. They're great to use. The back of the chisel was disappointing, to say the least. Undulations is a word that springs to mind. Whether it's appropriate or not, who cares? It's out there now on YouTube for the world to see. The mallet is just, as I said at the beginning, cutesy as cute can be. Cracking size, absolutely perfect for a little bit of light tapping when the need arises. You'll have probably noticed and are saying to yourself, I'm sure, he hasn't done them all. 2 reasons for that. 1, it would make this video incredibly long and more boring. And 2, I've something else I'm going to use to sharpen those with. Stay tuned. No, I did that at the beginning. Subscribe. There you go. I knew it was an S word. Yes, stay. That begins with S. If you'd like to see how I'm going to sharpen those and what's in this bag, then hit the subscribe button and tick on the little bell. Let it work for you. And don't forget the like. A like goes a long, long way. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Ta-ra for now. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do.